Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share. As you all can see in the description box down below what I will be doing in this video today. I'm going to make some hair growth mask for my hair, and I've used this for some time now, and y'all will see the process. I will also be adding some health benefits in this video as well. Bear in mind the video is not originally mine. I just saw it online and decided to add it in. So you guys stay tuned for the entire process. Right here I'm just adding my water into a container, and I'm going to cut the bottom part of the aloe vera off because some people say that it's poisonous, and it is good to cut off that part with the white section. And right here I'm just peeling off the sides as I don't want to hurt myself. So be careful, you guys, because the sides can cut you because it's really sharp. And right here I'm just adding the aloe vera in the water. You can see right here, this is how long the aloe vera is. You don't have to get this big if you don't want to. I used this one twice, so that's why I got the bigger one. So as y'all can see, the water is yellow. You need to change the water after 6 to 8 hours, and I left it overnight so that it can drain. After overnight, here you have it, the water is really clear. So if the water is clear, that means it is ready. If it came out yellow looking, that means it need to sit in water for a little bit more. Right here I'm just cutting it up in pieces so that I can take the gel out. In this process I am going to blend it up a bit. I'm not going to use the gel itself because I want to use it twice. If you want, you can just use the gel, just crush it and strain it. I thought I did record the process of when I was straining it just using the gel itself. Sometimes I use the gel, sometimes I use water and blend it up in the blender. I just recently started using this aloe vera for my hair. Normally I would just wash and go. I don't use any products in my hair or anything, and my hair is shoulder length. I saw a little bit of growth since I've been using it in my hair, the aloe vera, but it's not a lot because I don't use it like often as I should, like every week. I just use it as a mask for my hair before I wash it. So I steam it in my hair with plastic bag for about 30 minutes to an hour in my hair before I wash it. So here is the gel that I am taking out. You can just crush this gel up with whatever you have in the kitchen, can crush it and just put it in your ear just like that. So you always see the rest of the process. I will place some text on the screen to show you guys what I'm doing, but right now I'm going to add an audio with the recording of some health benefits of aloe vera. So guys, stay tuned for that.
Aloe vera is a tender and juicy plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. It is native to Africa, Asia, and the Mediterranean region, but can grow in almost any climate. Aloe vera has thick, fleshy leaves that contain a clear gel and a yellow latex. Both the gel and the latex have various health benefits, depending on how they are used. Aloe vera can be used in different ways, depending on your preference and the health benefits you are seeking. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your skin, consume aloe vera juice, or take aloe vera supplements. Here are some methods to use aloe vera. Aloe vera gel. You can extract the gel from the aloe vera leaf by cutting off the pointed edges and slicing off the skin on one side. Then, you can scoop out the gel and rinse it under water to remove any dirt or latex. You can apply the gel to your skin to treat various skin conditions, such as acne, inflammation, wounds, burns, and sunburns. You can also use aloe vera gel as a moisturizer, a face mask, or a hair conditioner. Aloe vera juice. You can make aloe vera juice by blending the gel with water. You can drink the juice as a refreshing beverage or as a tonic for your digestive system. Aloe vera juice can help with constipation, stomach ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, and acid reflux. You can also add other ingredients to your aloe vera juice, such as honey, lemon, ginger, or mint, to enhance the flavor and the benefits. Aloe vera supplements. You can also take aloe vera in the form of capsules or liquid extracts. These supplements can provide you with the nutrients and antioxidants that aloe vera contains. However, you should consult with your healthcare provider before taking any supplements, as the dosage and form of aloe vera can vary. You should also be aware of the possible side effects and interactions of aloe vera supplements, especially if you have any medical conditions or take any medications. Aloe vera has a wide range of health benefits, both for your skin and your body. Here are some of the benefits of aloe vera. Skin health. Aloe vera can improve your skin health by providing hydration, nourishment, and protection. Aloe vera gel can help reduce acne and skin inflammation by killing bacteria and soothing the skin. It can also help heal skin injuries by stimulating collagen production and preventing infection. Aloe vera gel can also moisturize your skin and prevent dryness, wrinkles, and aging signs. Aloe vera gel can also protect your skin from sun damage by acting as a natural sunscreen and reducing the effects of UV rays. Dental health. Aloe vera can improve your dental health by preventing and treating oral problems. Aloe vera tooth gel can help prevent cavities by controlling the bacteria that cause tooth decay. It can also be less harsh on your teeth than regular toothpaste, making it a good option for people with sensitive teeth. Aloe vera mouth rinse can help reduce gingivitis and plaque buildup by cleansing and refreshing your mouth.
So guys, this one I'm going to use tomorrow in my hair. And this one, I'm going to leave this one in the freezer. So for preservative, you're going to put lemon juice or lime juice in there if you want to, for it to stay up to like to 6 months in the freezer, or how long you take to use it.
Aloe vera can also help heal mouth ulcers and sores by reducing pain and inflammation. Digestive health. Aloe vera can improve your digestive health by regulating and supporting your digestive system. Aloe vera juice can help relieve constipation by increasing the water content in your intestines and stimulating bowel movements. It can also help treat stomach ulcers and irritable bowel syndrome by reducing inflammation and acidity in your stomach. Aloe vera juice can also help with acid reflux by neutralizing the stomach acid and soothing the esophagus. Blood sugar management. Aloe vera can help manage your blood sugar levels by improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Aloe vera juice or supplements can help lower your blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes. This can help prevent or control diabetes and its complications. However, you should monitor your blood sugar levels carefully and consult with your healthcare provider before using aloe vera for this purpose, as it may interfere with your medications or cause hypoglycemia. Nutrient-rich. Aloe vera is a rich source of nutrients that your body needs for optimal health. Aloe vera juice contains vitamins B, C, E, and folic acid, which are essential for your immune system, energy production, and cell growth. It also contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are important for your bone health, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Aloe vera is also one of the few plant sources of vitamin B12, which is vital for your blood cells, nervous system, and DNA synthesis. Aloe vera can be a valuable supplement for vegetarians and vegans who may lack this vitamin in their diet. Antioxidant properties. Aloe vera is a powerful antioxidant that can protect your body from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Oxidative stress is a process that occurs when your body is exposed to harmful substances such as pollution, radiation, or toxins. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and cause chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Aloe vera juice can help scavenge these free radicals and prevent or reduce the damage they cause. Aloe vera can also boost your immune system and fight infections by enhancing your body's natural defenses. Weight loss. Aloe vera can help you lose weight by improving your metabolism and digestion. Aloe vera juice can help you burn more calories and fat by increasing your metabolic rate and thermogenesis. It can also help you feel fuller and reduce your appetite by increasing your water intake and fiber content. Aloe vera juice can also help you detoxify your body and eliminate waste and toxins by cleansing your colon and liver. Aloe vera can also improve your energy levels and mood by providing you with vitamins and minerals, such as applying the gel to your skin, drinking the juice, or taking the supplements. Aloe vera is a natural and safe remedy that can enhance your health and well-being. Aloe vera can be a wonderful addition to your healthy lifestyle.